Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video we'll learn what's new in Laravel 11.26. As we can see, we need to upgrade current version to 26. Then I will say composer update. After that we will run composer install command. Finally let's run php artisan about, and as we can see here our Laravel version is 11.26. The first feature here is adding backed enum or an enum value or case to rate limiter. For example, if we open our web.php, we can define a rate limiter like this, and I will call it from this facade also. And instead of define as string only here, now we can define an enum also. So we can say hub post in the post, but now we can add a full enum as we can see here, right? The second one is adding a new command to generate a job middleware rather than normal middleware. So for example, let's try it. I didn't try it before. Let's remove it also. And I think I have some jobs here, and I will say php artisan make job rate limited. Okay, it's fine like this, and let's open this middleware. As we can see, it's under jobs and another middleware here. It's a good actually for code organization. So now we have this middleware for jobs under jobs folder, and the other one middleware for HTTP requests. That's great actually. Then there is a new stop method that we can use with processes to execute commands. It can be used with single processes and also with batch or pool of processes, as we can see. And the last one is a new factory generic animation when we generate a new model. So if I back and say here php artisan make model exam as an example, I will say exam. I think we should generate it using make model only, so I will say php artisan make model, and I will say exam. It will has a factory, and if we open exam again here, exam, we will have this annotation to make our work easy when we work with the editor or the IDE. So here's quickly what's new in Laravel 11.26. If you found it useful, support me by clicking on like, share, and subscribe. See you next video.